Hello, my name is Tim and my topic is climate change. Subtopic is coastal erosion. And my case study is Kiribati, my country. Kiribati is one of an island nation in the Central Pacific Ocean, composed of 33 atolls and one race called Island. The island capital is Tara, commonly affected by coastal erosion. Coastal erosion is the loss or displacement of land or a long-term removal of sediments and rocks along the coastline. This is due to the action of waves, currents, tide, and wind-driven water or other impacts of storm. The Blue Pacific region. The Blue Pacific region is a vast region in the South Pacific, encompassing 30 million square kilometers, 3 million inhabitants, and 14 nations. Due to the Blue Pacific region, coastal erosion is vulnerable in other nations like Kiribati. Coastal erosion is a severe issue happening in Kiribati since it is a low-lying atoll which barely 1 to 3 meters above the sea level. Therefore, the rise of the sea level generated by the outcome of global warming, melting all ice at the North Pole and the South Pole. This contributes to coastal erosion. Cultural factors also contribute to coastal erosion by the effects of human activities. First of all, sand mining is the removing of sand from beaches for construction. This reduces the natural barriers protecting the coastline, make it more vulnerable to erosion. In Kiribati, one major natural cause of coastal erosion is wave action. Ocean waves constantly strike the islands, slowly wearing away the sandy shoreline. This process shows spatial variation, which means erosion doesn't happen equally everywhere. Some parts of the islands, especially the side facing the open ocean, are hit stronger waves and erode faster than sheltered areas behind reefs. Another key factor is the long tide that occurs a few times each year. This tide floods low-lying areas, washing away land and damage coastal plantations. This shows temporal variation, meaning erosion changes over time. It is worse during certain seasons when long tide or strong winds are more frequent. One important way Kiribati address coastal erosion is through seawall construction. Seawalls are built along the coast to block strong waves washing away land. In places like Beso and Bundi, seawall protects homes, roads, and schools from erosion and flooding. However, poorly designed seawall can sometimes cause erosion in nearby areas. Another natural solution is mangrove planting. Mangroves are coastal trees and shrubs that grow in salty water, protecting the shorelines from erosion. Their roots hold sediments, preventing it from being washed away by waves and tide. Over time, mangroves can build up land by catching sand and organic materials. Best course of action in Kiribati is mangrove planting instead of seawall construction. The reason is a long-term sustainable solution as much cheaper than building seawall. Seawall is also a best course of action by providing immediate defense from erosion. It can safeguarding home and widow infrastructure. This strategy can help Kiribati preventing by the effects of coastal erosion.